Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Bluestacks on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can install Bluestacks. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Bluestacks, and the first link which will appear here will be from bluestacks.com. So just click on this link, and once this bluestacks.com website opens, you will be able to see this download Bluestacks button in green. You just need to click on this button, and once you click on this button, you will see that Bluestacks installer.exe file is going to download on your Windows 11 operating system. So once it's downloaded, just click on the exe file and minimize the browser. So at first you just need to press yes button here, and now at this point the Bluestacks installer has been started. So once the Bluestacks installer has been started, you just need to click on this install now button. So I'm going to just click on install now, which is going to start the download of some packages related to Bluestacks, right? So you don't need to do anything at this point. You just need to wait for some time until all the packages are downloaded, and the installation process is going to start automatically. So you just need to sit back, relax, and see the installation process, right? I can also see this Bluestacks X shortcut which is created on my desktop. This is a new service from Bluestacks which will allow you to play games on the cloud without running them on your computer. So at this point I will wait for some time until all the downloading and the installation is going on. Now at this point I can also see that the Bluestacks 5 shortcut and Bluestacks multi-instance shortcut is created on my desktop, right? So this process is going on, and these shortcuts has been created on my desktop, and I can also see this message finishing post installation steps. So I need to wait for some more time, and now I can see that the installation process is finished, and now it's starting Bluestacks on my Windows 11 operating system. So now I can see that Bluestacks has been started on my Windows 11 operating system. So let me maximize it, and here you can see some pre-installed apps on the Bluestacks emulator. The most important one is Play Store, where you need to log in with your Gmail account in order to install any app. You also have this Game Center app from where you can view and download games from your Bluestacks emulator. So let me just click on this Game Center app. So now I can see that this Game Center app has been started, and here you will be able to see all the games which you can download and install and play on your Bluestacks emulator. But the most important app here is Google Play, where you need to sign in with your good Gmail account, as I said. So you can see all these apps which you can play according to the category, for example top games. If you want to go back, you can press this back button, which is going to just redirect you to the main home page. So let me just press this back button, and you can see I'm on my main page here, and you have all these apps, right? You also have the system apps, and here you will be able to see all the system apps, for example settings app or camera app or file, or it comes with the pre-installed Chrome app also. You also have the Bluestacks X app. When you click on this, you can see that you can play Android games instantly powered by cloud. So you can play these apps on cloud using this Bluestacks X app. But as I said, before you install any app from Bluestacks, you need to log in with your Gmail account into the Google Play app. It's going to allow you to install apps similar to your Android device, right? So in Android device also you need to sign in to your Google Play app in order to install apps, right? So this is how you can download and install Bluestacks on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.